Welcome to Family Gardening.
Family gardening recipes. In this episode, we will make tomato ketchup from homegrown tomatoes. Let's get started. These are fresh basil leaves. We picked the right tomatoes for ketchup as it tastes good. I love cutting tomatoes. We will use an Instant Pot. I remove the seeds from the cardamom pod. These seeds are so little. These are the other spices. To make it easy, I transfer the cut tomatoes into a tray to add it to the Instant Pot. That's a cool idea. I added the rest of the ingredients. I like red chilies. Good job mixing it, Sanu. I mixed all the ingredients, closed the lid, and set the timer to pressure cook for 10 minutes. The vegetables are nicely cooked after 10 minutes. My mommy did the blender and I watched. The ketchup will look like this when it is ready. It tastes so yummy on the cheese tortilla. Please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time.